How to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Hey guys, I'm Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. Open a Facebook application and tap on the Marketplace icon at the top. From here, go and tap on the Sell option. Now you can choose items, vehicles and homes. I'll be choosing item here. Now, this will appear. It is a form-like of appearance and you can add photo of the item. You can add a title of it, price, categories. Here are some of the options that you can choose from. As you can see, there are plenty. Now also you can mention the quality of the item by tapping on condition, and you can choose used like new, used good or fair. And also you can add a description about the product so that people can know more about it. Now you can choose a location. You can simply tap on edit and just pin it to the map, and you can choose the option of hiding in friends or listing in more places, and also you can choose some additional listing options. Now I will go ahead and show you the additional listing options right here. So it basically looks the same, the pattern of the form, but at the below you will find you can add some tags and SKUs, and also you can set the shipping option if you're providing shipping options or not, and also you can choose a meetup preference. And this is all for the additional setup also. Hopefully this video was helpful for you and you will go ahead and sell some items on Marketplace on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching.